Ewell that I was talking with.
Okay. How's he doing?
And he said his doctor cured him of an infection.
Wow. Well, that's
He said
encouraging.
the first doctor he had never did even take a biopsy to find out what he had.
Wow.
And he found this doctor in Canton. And he said, I went to him for 42 straight days and he cured it.
Wow. That's encouraging.
It is. But his was an infection. Mine is a blockage.
Right. It's a little different, but it's not going to hurt to get a second opinion.
Yeah, I know it. But I'll get Thomas and Jody, one of them, to give him a call and find out.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's either that or lose my leg up to here.
Yeah, when it's something so serious, you might as well get another second opinion and just see if that's, it's not going to hurt.
And I think that those tablets is a good option.
It's a definitely good option. I hope they help.
And if nothing else, it can get the circulation going.
Right.
And Jody said with that George thing that he's got.
Yeah, the Jiggling George.
He said that will help to get the circulation going.
Yeah, it's supposed to. Yeah. The problem is getting back up because you have to lay on the ground for it.
But we'll do what we got to do.
Yeah, we will.
And if Ewell told him, said, you're not cutting my foot off. He said, there's a doctor that can cure this.
Wow.
And he said, no, there isn't. He said, but he said he found one that did.
Wow. And he gave you the doctor's number?
And then on top of that, he had colon cancer. And they cut about 2 feet out of his colon.
Wow.
No,
don't interrupt.
And the
No,
one is almost puffy.
Okay, you're interrupting. Yeah.
And he said, I've been cancer-free now for a long time.
Wow. That's
So,
awesome.
he
Same
had-
doctor?
So I think it was the same doctor.
Wow. Sounds like a good doctor.
But anyway, he's been through a rat race.
Yeah, sounds like it.
And the first time he was able to wear shoes after Maybelle died was at her funeral.
Wow.
That was the first time he was able to wear shoes.
Wow. Because it hurt? Did it hurt to wear shoes or his feet were swollen?
No. He was about to lose his foot.
Right.
He said he had a hole in his foot that you put a golf ball in.
Ooh. Gross. And it's all healed now, hey?
He said, but this doctor took a biopsy on it and found out what he needed, what it was, and gave him the antibiotics to cure it.
Wow. That's great.
So it's an option.
Yeah.